Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're going to remove the fairings completely on the motorcycle today, so stay tuned. So first we need to remove the seats. Just unplug this. Disconnect the connector. Next we're going to use T25 Torx to remove these bolts. There are two more bolts on top. Next we'll be removing this panel. So there's a screw over here. Just remove this top screw. So there are two more screws here which you need to remove. I think that's it. This panel should come out now. Just remove this mirror, and I think then it should come out easily without scratching the panel. No, that's it. The panel came out. Remove this glove box next. Oh, it's got a CD player inside. I didn't know that. Wow. Next we need to remove this silver panel. There's two more, one here and one here. So before we remove the silver panel, we need to unclip this temperature sensor. There's a tab which you need to press and pull it up. Yeah, that's it. Unclip it. Okay, that's it. I think it comes as a whole unit. Okay, so let's remove this now. Next we need to remove this one. There are two screws here on the side of the glove box which we need to remove. Be careful with this, don't drop it. No, don't drop it, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay. Fished it out. It looks a bit different from the other bolts. Now there are four more bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which we need to remove. I think this panel should come out now. Just lift it. Oh, that's it. It came out. So let's start removing this side panel as well. Just keep a bungee cord handy as well. There are a lot of connectors here which I do not know how to remove. I think it's better to just hang it. I'm not sure how to remove it. So next we need to remove this panel as before. We just have one more screw up here which I'm not sure how to get to. Strange, that's already loose. This one is rounded. We need to change this. No, there's one here. We forgot this. Oh, there's one here as well. And that's it. So we got all the panels out. Why don't you just remove this black panel out? Keep this in. There's one underneath as well. Oh, we need to remove this as well. Oh, that's it. Got the panel out. So that's it. The bike's fully stripped. If you guys like the video, please do hit the like button. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.